Hey friends, thanks so much for joining me again today. I want to show you a little difference in your speed and why you should go slower. All right friends, so one of the biggest things I always tell students, or one of the things I see them doing wrong, is they go too fast. They think it's just a really quick bzzz, and it is not. It is a slow process to melt that base metal and deposit that filler metal. So we're gonna go and we're gonna do a little test here. I'm going to do two different stringer beads, and we are going to do one of them where I take 1 second to make the circle, and then we're gonna take another one and do 2 seconds, to where it takes me 2 seconds to get around that circle. And we'll see which one looks better. All right, friends, so here we have two different welds, the same exact rod, same exact temperature, and we just went slower on our circles. So on this one, right here, it was super hard. Then I had to tell myself, gotta speed up. So in one rotation, it was a second. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4. And on this one, I took my time. It was 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6. And so you can kind of see here, my circles weren't perfect on this one. My circles were fine here. I was just way too fast. You can see how it's really pointy. That was way too fast. This one is better. You have the puddles not so pointy. They're more circular. That's what we're looking for. Back here was actually probably the best part of this weld, is when I had to actually tell myself, you gotta speed up because it's gotta be faster to get this right. And so here I was going along doing it how I usually would, and then I thought, oh gosh, I gotta speed up to make it a 1 second. So this is too fast. You see how it's kind of an arrow pointing back this way to tell you, hey, slow down. You still got weld to put back there. You gotta slow down because you're digging a trench with this arc, and then you have to let the filler metal deposit back in there. So when we were circling, we were going slow. We're coming around and we're not moving that far ahead every single time. We're only moving ahead just a little bit. It's a slow process. So when you see this, you know you're going too fast and you need to slow down. So hey friends, thanks so much for joining me. Remember to wear all your protective clothing that you need to wear when you weld, because you don't want to get your favorite hoodie with holes in it. But when things get pretty bad, sometimes you just gotta pitch them. So thanks so much for watching, folks. Thanks for the view. Remember to work hard in whatever you're doing, because hard work is its own reward, and it makes you better, folks. Thanks for watching.